All right, Bobcats, your job today is to make a word collage. This is an example of a word collage that Gabby did last week. Gabby put all of the sight words that she had read in the sight word video into a beautiful picture together. I want to show you how to do that this morning. So when you open up your response journal, you're going to add a drawing. In that drawing, you're going to put down that you are working on AdWords, because that's our job this week, is to work on words that have A-D. So Mrs. Scott is going to choose the pencil. I'm going to make it a pretty colorful pencil. I can go down here and I could change the size. I can choose to write my words like add. Writing with a pencil can be very hard. So another thing we can do instead of writing with the pencil is click on the T, which means type, and you can type a word that has the AD, like add. Or I can try another one, add. Now I'm not going to show you any more Bobcats, because then what would you be showing me? And I know you're very excited. If you click back on the little hand, you can move these around a bit and position them however you want. And if you come over here, you can change your background and make it a different color if you want to. So Bobcats, I can't wait to see what AD words you turn into a collage today.